welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can customize your content preferences on TikTok. So first, click on the profile page. So hit that button on the bottom right corner. Go and press the three lines on the top right corner of your screen. Then press Settings and Privacy and go down to Content and Activity. Select Content Preferences, and here you can add languages that'll sort of customize like your content preference. For instance, you want videos to only show up with like a language that you choose, so press Add Language. For instance, you want the contents to have these languages. You're just going to press, for instance, like one of them. So for instance, for me it's Bahasa Indonesia. Press Done, and then you can add more languages by just pressing Add Language again. And for instance, I want to add in videos in Spanish, so just click on that, Español, click on it and press Done. And you can add more languages as you go. And for instance, you accidentally added a language that you don't really want, just press that sort of delete icon over here and press Remove. And if you, for instance, don't want to have like a preference of content, you can just delete it and not do it. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!